let's have a look at the game that's coming up tomorrow. This game is going to be played in Mumbai. It's not a home game for anyone because there's no home games for any team. It's Chennai playing Delhi, and that's MS Dhoni and Rishabh Pant. So the master and the pupil, so to speak, are the two captains that are going to be going out. And of course, the most experienced captain in MS Dhoni, and the one who's going to be captaining his first game, and one who has actually pretty much learned most of his tricks from the other one, right, Harsha?
Just before that, when was the last time you said, let's see which game comes up tomorrow? And you're right, it is tomorrow still. Most times when you say, let's see what comes up tomorrow, because of the 8 o'clock starts, they were playing so late that you were actually into the next day. They've taken the same amount of time though. I'd love to look at the playing conditions and see what the rules are, because they had to finish in 90 minutes and they didn't. But I mean, this Dhoni and Rishabh will be very... Will they come out of the toss? I mean, him holding Dhoni's finger and walking out with him together. Or will they say, sorry, distancing, you stay there? Yeah. No, but there is a bit of Dhoni. I mean, there's something about Rishabh. What I'll be waiting to see
X factor.
Whether... Yeah, but I know. I mean, X, Y, Z. I mean, we have all kinds of factors. We have files, factors, all starting with X. But what I'll be looking forward to seeing is whether captaincy affects the way he's batting. Because there's this devil may care about him. I don't think captaincy will affect him. I'll wait and see if his wicket keeping gets affected. But there's something about him. So, yeah, Dhoni and it'll be interesting to see them go out together. Yeah, Dhoni and Rishabh.
Joy, of course, the big one for Delhi is their dependence on Rabada and Nokia, and why not? Both champion bowlers, but both unavailable for the first game due to quarantine.
Yeah, I expect, I think the fact that Ishant was injured last year and didn't play too much at all is something interesting for them. Ishant coming back definitely is a plus. Chris Woakes is a very, very decent bowler. I mean, I think he'll slot in. They'll need to slot in an international fast bowler simply because they need that kind of experience out there. And it's this Delhi team, you take away Shreyas Iyer, obviously they're not the same. They take away Rabada, Nokia. They're losing 3 of their first 11 players, but it's still a very, very formidable team. Yeah. And they know how to play here.
I think they lose Akshar as well. I think they lose Akshar too.
Yeah, they lose Akshar. Yeah, 4 out of their first 11. Yeah, they lose Akshar as well. It's 4 out of their first 11 they're not playing. But it's still a formidable team, and that tells you a little bit about the depth they have.
Yeah, they've obviously, I mean, they've got Chris Woakes, they've got Umesh Yadav as well, Ishant Sharma is playing, Amit Mishra's there. So there's a few of their first 11 who were not there last year, mainly Ishant and Amit Mishra. They are here. Who are your 4 foreigners though? Let's see who your 4 foreigners are for Delhi. Because that becomes super interesting, because that tells me whether you think Steve Smith is playing or not. Because you're opening with Shikhar and Prithvi, of course. Who's coming at 3? Who's coming at 4?
For me, I think the 4 foreigners has to be Hetmyer, Stoinis, definitely Chris Woakes, because they'll need one more bowler. I would actually think they might go for a Tom Curran and take a second bowler, because the problem with taking Steve Smith is exactly what happens once the normal team returns. You see, he's too big a player for you to try put out there and then take him out again. I know he'll be desperate for a chance to do something, but if you're a coach and you're looking at it saying that, suppose I do this and it succeeds, will there be too much pressure on him and me and I can't change the decision anymore? It's a very interesting decision, and I don't know which way they'll go.
It's peculiar with the way the structure with the 4 overseas players works. Here's one of the greatest players of our times, maybe not in this format. I think it will come down to whether the team looks at Umesh Yadav versus Tom Curran.
Yeah.
Umesh Yadav versus Tom Curran. If they go right, I think Tom Curran, then Steve Smith can't play. If they go Umesh Yadav, saying I'll play both Umesh and Ishant along with Chris Woakes, and I'll play Amit Mishra, Ashwin and Stoinis. I've got one overseas slot left. Then maybe I can play Steve Smith and Shimron Hetmyer and Marcus Stoinis there. But if they think they want Tom Curran in the side, then Rahane plays. And I mean, Joy's question, if Steve Smith comes in and makes 80 or 50 balls, well,
what do you do then?
Shimron Hetmyer. Yeah. Too bad for you, Shimron Hetmyer. So,
well, we're not counting. There's a Sam Billings in there as well, who is solid T20 bat. So there's him as well. So, but I'll tell you something. Still easier to contemplate on what the sort of makeup of the 4 foreign players for Delhi will be than for Chennai. I don't think.
No, I'm not
Yes.
getting Joy.
I don't know.
You take that.
Joy,
I have no idea.
I don't know.
I think really it's a fascinating one, because are they going to go with the new, or
We'll
are
pull
they
the
going to
squad
go
up
with the
back
old guard?
again for you.
Yeah.
I mean, don't you think we went through the entire? Yeah, there
I
you
know,
go.
because
Yeah.
I think Ngidi and Faf are the only 2 guys who are sure. Okay,
Are
I
you
think
sure? Are you sure Faf is sure?
I think Faf is one of those players who Dhoni just looks on as one of the pillars of his success. over
Fair
the
enough,
last
Joy.
few-
Fair enough. But where are you slotting him? Because are you putting him opener then? So you're putting him opener with Robin, right?
So I say between Faf, Robin, and Rituraj, 2 of these guys will open. One
But
of
there's
them.
a Raina and a Raidu as well. And
So
then
I see
there's
Raidu at 4.
Jadeja, there's Dhoni. Yeah.
I'm not sure where Raina is at. I'm really not sure. I mean, look, he had he was celebrating, birthday of his kid. If this is an IPL and you're coming back, you haven't played the last IPL, maybe that may not be the occasion that that people who don't go back for the birth of their first kid. I mean, Virat did that, but a birthday of a kid and missing coming to camp early is something that if I was a Chennai management, I'd look at it and say that, are you really sure you're putting in everything to make yourself fit for this one? And I'd call that in question. So Raina for me is definitely a question mark.
Ooh,
And
yeah.
if Raina's there, definitely you have a problem of plenty. But if Raina's not there, then the rest of it all works.
See how that opens up. I'll tell you what that opens up. It
Yeah.
opens up the prospect that you can play Faf, Moin, Bravo, and Karan if you're happy playing Indian spinners on that track, and you're
Okay,
happy playing
let's bring it back up again, because
Happy
that means that
playing Shardul.
Lungi is not playing. So
No,
yes,
if you're happy playing Shardul, Chahar, Karan, and Bravo as your 4, and then you play Moin Ali and Ravindra Jadeja as your 2 other spinners, you've got your
and
6
Krishnappa
bowlers.
Gautam, you could play Krishnappa Gautam as well.
Maybe not. But for
Okay.
that to happen, you can only play one of Raina or Raidu. Alternately, you play Raina and Raidu both, open with Uthappa and Ruturaj, and that opens one more fast bowler slot at the end. So he's got basically, I think I've confused everybody.
Yeah, I don't know where. Okay. Let me attempt it. Here's what I'm saying. Let me attempt it. The reason why I'm saying
That's what
no
MS
Faf-
does. I mean, he's not even on the program. He's confusing all of us.
Yeah, we'll pull the squad up and I'll attempt it. All right, I'll try to attempt it with a little more
Time's up
coherence,
now.
boys and girls. There you go. Let's say this is the reason why I'm saying no Faf. What if you open with Rituraj Gaikwad, Robin Uthappa? You've got 3 and 4 is Raina and Raidu, whatever order you play them in.
Dhoni 5.
Then there's Dhoni, Moin Ali,
Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja, right?
Yes.
5, 6, 7,
Bravo,
8.
Karan.
Shardul, Chahar,
Let me
Krishnappa
what did he
Gautam.
say? Let
That's
me
your 11.
Let me explain this lucidly. It lasted lucidity till number 7.
Yeah, but that's it. That's number 7
Yeah.
was fine.
Yeah, but you actually played with 3 foreigners, which I don't disagree with.
Yeah, I played with 3 foreigners, didn't I? Yeah. So I think I was only talking about the top order, but that's why I'm saying that they've got enough in the top order to maybe just think that, okay, we won't, but he will play. You're right. He will probably play Faf because he kind of leans on him a lot.